Hello, this is Mark from Aquarian Christianity. A little bit of astrology here with Pluto for the United States. This doesn't concern other countries necessarily, but it does concern us in the United States. Pluto will have its first return, and there will be four of them, which will end in 2023. The beginning of October 2023, it will end. Pluto will enter after 248 years, probably 246 years, 247 years. Pluto will enter, will return after about 246 years. Pluto is returning. Pluto 247. Pluto is returning, and will finish his return about 247 years. After 247 years, Pluto was at the same position in 1776. That's the scary part. Pluto is returning for the first time since the foundation of the United States of America. It says it was officially founded. And we don't know exactly when the United States actually started, because they say July 4th, but they say there are some questions about that as far as when everything was officially sealed. However, we should expect destruction with Pluto returning. And I don't know whether people have enough to eat. I don't think that they will have enough to eat. Which goes back to the Christianity part of Aquarian Christianity. We need to trust God. We need to ask God for our food, as Jesus taught us. He said, in this manner, therefore, pray, or thus pray, therefore. Father of us, the one in the heavens, holy be your name. And it goes on. And it says, our bread for tomorrow, give us today. Our bread for tomorrow, give us today. First thing he says, when it comes to our request, that's the first thing we're to request, is our bread for tomorrow. So you need to be doing that in case we have outages. The World Economic Forum has talked about a power grid attack, a cyber attack on our power grid. I do not know why we're putting our if you're in the United States, I do not know why we're putting our power grid on the internet. Does that make sense to anybody? Or any network that would be subject to attacks. But supposedly, I heard they expect an attack, and supposedly it's on the power grid. Pluto's return from 1776 to 2022 and 2023. The return will be approximately, since we do not know the exact date or time, will be approximately 27 degrees 33 minutes Pluto or Capricorn. 27 degrees 33 minutes Capricorn. It will return on February 20th. I'm making this on January 16th, 2022. It will return on February 20th, 2022. And there may be some effects before and after. Pluto's a slow planet, so it'll probably take several days. Well, it will take several days for this to come into effect. We might have an attack before or after. As I said back in 2000 teens, we're looking at the destruction of this country. Do not fight the government. That is not Christian. The Christians who knew what they were doing back in the old days didn't fight the Roman government, even though they lit them on fire alive. Do not fight the government. That is a curse. You're looking for a blessing. 20th of February 2022, that is next month, about a month from now. I'm recording this January 16th, Sunday, at just before 6 o'clock p.m. February 20th, 2022, 11th of July, 2022, 28th of December, around Christmas. So several of these dates are during cold times if you live in a cold area of the country. February's cold, December's cold, and October's cold. July will be hot, I would imagine, for most of the country. February 20th, February 2022, July 11th, 2022, December 28th, 2022, and 9th of October, 2023. We should have a completely different country by 2023. By the end of 2023, if not before, we should have a completely different country. Or at least the beginnings of that, with Pluto returning. Okay. God bless. Remember, have faith and pray that God give you your daily food, if that's a concern. You know, your stockpiles of for Patriots food will not last if this is protracted, and it probably will be. God bless.